In this video, I will show you how to download 8-Ball Pool on your computer or laptop. I will go step by step so you can follow along easily and get the game running without any problems. Let's get started. Since 8-Ball Pool is a mobile game, we're going to need an emulator on our computer or laptop. That's why we're going to open a web browser, maybe Chrome, and search for LD Player. And here you're going to open this link, and here to download it, you're just going to simply click on this yellow button. Once it's downloaded, we're going to open the downloads folder and click on LD Player. Here you're going to click on install. Once LD Player is installed, open the app and here go to System Apps. Then select Play Store. After you open Play Store, you're just going to simply search for 8-Ball Pool in the search bar. And here you're going to click it and simply click install. And this is how you can download 8-Ball Pool on your computer or laptop. If you think this video was helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.